Alex here with an event video on the state of Nevada versus Quigley and Tessa Patchett, a case involving an armed robbery in Spring Creek, Elko County.
Deputies arrested two people this week accused of an armed robbery out of Spring Creek. Deputies arrested 32-year-old Tessa Patchett and 29-year-old Quigley on Wednesday. Deputies say they allegedly robbed a home, then left the scene, turning into a car and eventually a foot chase. They say Patchett was driving and arrested shortly after the chase. However, they add Quigley ran up Elko Mountain and had to be tracked down into the night. After the investigation, deputies determined the suspects knew the victims and it was a targeted case.
Justice of the Peace Brian Drake has granted our request to provide comprehensive electronic coverage to the first proceeding, which we have already recorded and will publish shortly. State of Nevada is represented by Deputy District Attorney Justin Baranka. You can keep up to date with our coverage schedule by visiting ournevadajudges.com, clicking the media tab, or you can send us an email at media@ournevadajudges.com.
There is going to be a waiver for preliminary hearing in district court. My client's going to plead no contest to one count of robbery, a category B felony, as well as one count of grand larceny of a firearm, a category B felony. The parties are going to be free to argue at the time of sentencing. Maybe the state can bring you up to date a little bit better than I can on the case this morning. It's my understanding the case is going to eventually be dismissed pursuant to negotiations, but the issue of restitution in that case may be incorporated in this case as part of a negotiation and recorded at the time of sentencing of the case that we got here this afternoon.
Understood. Thank you, Mr. Fritz. Mr. Frank?
That's correct, Your Honor. A couple of things. One, Mr. Fick and I did speak with Ms. Revere regarding that, and we'll get, I'm assuming we'll get rolling on that, and also be in touch with Mr. Fritz about including in our plea agreement upstairs. Second thing, one thing I did want to put on the record here, that'll go on the record both here and in the district court, is that both victims were on board with this resolution. So I just spoke with Mr. Knesevich just now, and then Dalton Hill, I spoke on the phone this morning. He's out of town, or actually not this morning, about 10 minutes ago. And he is out of the state, so they're both in agreement to this deal.
Understood. Thank you. Mr. Quigley, I do have a document in front of me that we have a preliminary hearing on the advice of counsel. Indicates plea agreement to be filed in the district court, sir. This document has a series of initials on the left-hand side. The initials appear to be CQ. Are these your initials, sir?
Yes, sir.
Did you have an opportunity to go over this document with your attorney prior to court today and have any questions answered, sir?
Yes, sir.
This document covers the rights that you'll be giving up by waiving the right to preliminary hearing. Do you understand the rights that you'll be giving up by giving up your right to a preliminary hearing, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone made